Hello, my name is Jeff Ingram. I'm the National Training Manager for Samsung IT, CE, and DI divisions.
Great, and what do you have for us today?
Well, today we're going to talk about a couple of our brand new ATIV products, including the Book Q. We have the Book 9 Lite, Book 9 Plus, and we also have our ATIV Tab 3. So the first one we're going to talk about is our Book Q. And let me just power it on. And the Book Q is tablet / notebook computer. So there's a couple various different types of setups that we can use with this. So you have a tablet form, or you could lift it up and you have a full keyboard.
Awesome.
There's also a floating design, so if you want to share your screen back and forth, you can do so. And the last one is flipping it right around, and you can use it basically as a touchscreen display. So those are the 4 different types of design types that you could use with the Book Q. So let me show you a couple features that we're going to demonstrate on this particular device. So the first one that I want to really show off is the brand new the screen resolution. So it's 3200 by 1800, which makes
That's insane.
Yeah, that makes it the highest screen resolution of any notebook computer today.
Yeah.
That's available on the Book Q, and certainly someone who deals with a lot of photography, who likes to shoot in RAW, do editing, Photoshop, even Excel, having that much information in screen space is really important for a lot of people. So that screen resolution is very important. Now, another nice thing about the Book Q, which is very unique when it comes to notebook computers, is we have what's called dual OS. And this is an actual Android operating system built within this laptop. So it just takes a couple seconds for it to load up. But in a few moments what you'll see is basically anyone who's ever used an Android tablet, it'll be the same user interface, the same applications, Google Store, any type of apps that you download. So here's your screen.
That's cool.
So I can populate information on there. I can go into my apps. So Instagram, Play Store, I have web browser, Chrome, YouTube. I even have the widgets that I can place onto the desktop as well. So if I press and hold the analog clock, I can place that on there. And I can toggle back and forth between the Windows operating system and the Android operating system.
Just one button.
Yep. So that's unique, and that's only available on the Book Q.
Now, can you access the Android apps through the Windows
No, it's actually, what it's doing is it's running a software program that's going to, it's an emulator for the Android system. So it's still using the computer processing of the actual computer, but you can't have Android applications in the Windows operating system.
Okay. What version of Android is this running?
I believe it's going to be version 4.1.
4.1? Okay. Any promises for updates to?
Undetermined at this point.
Undetermined. Okay. Cool. Cool. Great.
So that's the Book Q. And as I said, you can, if you want to close the operating system, if I just go back in there, I can actually shut the program and exit.
Now, I'm assuming that would save some battery life if you don't have both running at the same time?
It'll only generate and use up power based on the type of program that you're running. So it's not going to run anything in the background. It's a software. So toggling between the two, it shouldn't really matter about using any power consumption.
Okay.
Now in terms of inputs and devices, so you can do landscape, portrait. You have on the side here, there's a USB port, earphone jack. There's a dongle that you can use for your Ethernet, and then when I lift up the computer, on the side I have an HDMI mini, USB 3, and on this side here I have a micro SD card slot.
Great. How high up does it go in terms of expandable storage? What size card can we put inside of it?
64 gigabyte.
Okay.
And it comes with a 128 solid state drive.
Great. Wow. Fantastic.
So that's Book Q.
And this is available at the moment or in the future?
It will be available, worldwide launches end of July, so you'll most likely see it probably early August.
Early August. Fantastic.